guys. Mamaya i-bake namin to. Ay, yeah. And ito, yung hindi namin nagawa or hindi naikot. Ito, first step, i-roll yung dough. Before that, ito, sinarkela namin. And after that, you have to roll like this. And you have to stretch. And we're gonna rest that for another 10 minutes. And we're gonna twist this. Now let's start twisting. Guys, kasi pag hindi nyo ito twist in the oven, pangit sila. Lagay natin sa baba. There, lalagay natin here. And let's do another one. I'm so excited. Whoosh. We're gonna bake this. I know. See, rolling the dough is super fun. You're like playing a clay, right? Oh, this is unique. It looks like cinnamon roll, right? Now you have to roll this. This is how to long time. Then we're rolling it again. This is ensaymada dough, guys. Now we have to twist. Okay. It looks like unique breads. I know, in Spanish breads. We have to rest this for another 10 minutes. This ensaymada dough. This is the finished ensaymada dough bread. We're gonna put this in the oven. And let's start rolling it again because we have many ensaymada doughs. That's why. It's super fun. It looks like a steak, you know. Voila! Let's start another. This is not so much rolling. Okay. And we have to flat this. That's why they're sticky. Because they're sticky breads, you know. Oh, I don't flat this. That's why we need to flat. Flat. Another one. Okay. Later we got some milk there, and let's twist it together. Twist. You know what to do. I gonna spin. Twist. Oh my gosh, it is so big. Splat. And it's done. We're gonna bake it. Bye. Hi guys, ayan na yung mga ensaymada doughs inside the oven. Mamaya lalagyan ko na yung toppings. Pagluto na siya. Bye! Ensaymada dough. Kaya lalagyan na natin ng star margarine. Okay. This is the best part. Later titikman natin. Mainit kasi ito kaya hindi ako dikit. Kaya yan. Me and my mommy bake this together and ever. You know, I got many because I taste the rolls. Stick them. Wow, I'm enjoying this. And you know, guys, you can bake this with your mom and dad and every people.
See, next time I will share the ingredients.
Later, gonna take a bite. Ooh, because ooh, yeah, it looked like poop.
Okay, that's enough. Put
Because-
some cheese.
Huh?
Cheese.
Oh, let's put some cheese. Cheese, cheese. Ooh. Konti-konti lang, guys, para hindi siya masayang. Woo! So hot. Ay! Wow, I cannot believe it, the smell.
No, faster.
There. Voila! It's cute. Bye.
Yes.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell